Hello, dear students. I will be continuing the topic debentures. Today we'll see discount on issue of debentures, how this discount on issue of debentures to be treated in books of accounts, how it is to be written off. It is prudent practice to write off the discount on issue of debentures, that is, it is loss during the life of debentures. We'll see the illustrative examples so it will be very clear to you. Treatment of discount on issue of debentures. For first we'll see illustration 47. On 1/4/14, P Limited issued 1015% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10% redeemable at par. Required to show discount on issue of debentures account if such debentures are redeemable after 4 years and such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years. A Limited follows financial year as its accounting year. 1/4/14 to 31st March 15 will be the first financial year. It follows financial year as its accounting year. Now I will let you know how this is to be done. You are supposed to show discount on issue of debentures account. 1015% debentures of 100 each they have issued. 1015% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%. The discount on issue of debentures is 10%, but these debentures are redeemable at par. First I will let you know the journal entry for issue of debentures. Bank account debit 1000 into 90,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 1000 into 10,000 to 15% debentures 1,00,000 into 100. This entry is to be passed at the time of issue of debentures. Debentures are issued at discount and discount is 10,000. Now how this discount is to be written off when such debentures are redeemable after 4 years. Now if you see this entry, combined entry, this is the combined entry. If you segregate it, then entry will be bank account debit to 15% debentures 90,000, discount on issue of debentures account debit 10,000 to 15% debentures 10,000. Now this part 10,000, how it is to be written off, that we'll see. Discount on issue of debentures account 1/4/14 to 15% debentures 10,000. This is the amount. When such debentures are redeemable after 4 years, total discount is 10,000. The period for which debentures are held 4 years, debentures are held for the period of 4 years. Therefore, every year amount to be written off to profit and loss account is 10,000 divided by 4, which is equal to 2,500. Total discount 10,000. Debentures, all the debentures are redeemed after 4 years. So every year 10,000 divided by 4, 2,500 is to be written off. Discount on issue of debentures account to 15% debentures, this 10,000. 31st March 15 by profit and loss account 2,500, every year to be written off 2,500. By balance carried down 7,500. Next year beginning, to balance brought down 7,500. By profit and loss account, same figure 2,500. Balance carried down is 5,000. Third year beginning, to balance brought down 5,000. By profit and loss account 2,500. Balance carried down 2,500. Fourth year beginning, to balance brought down 2,500. By profit and loss account 2,500. This account will get closed when debentures are redeemable after 4 years. Now we'll see the second option, when such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 year. Equal annual drawings in 4 year, meaning of this is every year equal amount of debenture get redeemed. Value of debenture issued is 1 lakh. Redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years. 1 lakh divided by 4 is equal to 25,000 worth debentures are to be redeemed every year. At the end of first year, 25,000 debentures will get redeemed. At the end of second year, next 25,000, total 50,000. At the end of third year, again 25,000 worth debentures will get redeemed. Total debenture carried out at the end of third year is 75,000, and at the end of fourth year remaining 25,000 worth debentures will be redeemed. Now see this statement showing debenture discount to be written off each year. At the beginning of the year, what is the face value of debentures that we'll see? At the beginning of first year, debentures were 1 lakh. At the beginning of second year, debentures worth 75,000 were there, because at the end of first year, 25,000 were redeemed. At the beginning of third year, 50,000 worth debentures were there, and at the beginning of fourth year, 25,000 worth debentures were there. See, I have added here at the beginning of the year, this was the face value of debentures. Here you can change it. At the beginning of first year, second year, third year and fourth year, this was the face value of debentures which company was having. Period in use 12 months, 1 lakh. So this is product 75,000 into 12, 50,000 into 12, 25,000 into 12. Ratio is calculated. 4:3:2:1. Total discount 10,000 is to be distributed in the ratio 4:3:2:1. See, as the period used here is same 12 months, even if without using this, if you calculate ratio of this 1 lakh, 75,000, 25,000 and 1 lakh, 75,000, 50,000 and 25,000, then you will get the same ratio 4:3:2:1, because period is same. So if you calculate ratio of these figures or these figures, it will not make any difference. Ratio will be 4:3:2:1, and 10,000 is to be distributed in the ratio 4:3:2:1. So these amounts are to be written off at the end of first year, at the end of second year, the end of third year and at the end of fourth year. When debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years, discount on issue of debentures account. First year beginning to 15% debentures 10,000, by profit and loss account 4,000, balance carried down 6,000. Second year beginning to balance brought down 6,000, by profit and loss account 3,000, by balance carried down 3,000. Third year beginning to balance brought down 3,000, by profit and loss account 2,000, by balance carried down 1,000. Next year, to balance brought down 1,000, by profit and loss account 1,000, the account will get closed. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000 is to be written off. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Ratio is 4:3:2:1. Now we'll go to illustration number 48. Y Limited issued 500 15% debentures of 1,000 each at a discount of 8%. Discount is 8%. Repayable as under. Nominal value of debentures to be redeemed. At the end of second year, 50,000 worth debentures to be redeemed. At the end of third year, 1 lakh worth debentures to be redeemed. At the end of fourth year, 1,50,000 worth debentures to be redeemed. At the end of fifth year, 2 lakh worth debentures to be redeemed. 2 lakh plus 1,50,000, 3,50,000 plus 1 lakh, 4,50,000 plus 50,000 is 5 lakhs. 500 debentures of 1,000 each is 5 lakhs. This 5 lakhs is to be redeemed in this manner. First year end no redemption, second year end 50,000, third year end 1 lakh, fourth year end 1,50,000, fifth year end 2 lakhs. You are required to calculate the amount of discount to be written off each year, assuming that the company closes its accounts on calendar year basis. Calendar year basis, they close their accounting. Now in this case, last question we have seen the second option. So you are supposed to find out the ratio, and in that ratio you are supposed to write off the discount on issue of debentures. First we'll see the discount amount. For that, you need to pass the journal entry. See the journal entry. Bank account debit 4,60,000. Why? 500 into 920 number of debentures issued 920 multiplied by 920. Discount on issue of debentures debit 40,000. 500 into 80. Discount is 8%. Face value is 1,000. So after deducting face value, you will get 920. Discount is 8%. That is 8% of 1,000. To 15% debentures account 500 into 1,000 5 lakhs. Now this discount on issue of debentures 40,000, in what ratio it is to be written off, that we'll see. Now here at the beginning of the first year they were having debentures worth 5 lakhs. At the beginning of second year they were having debentures worth rupees 5 lakhs. At the end of second year they have redeemed debentures worth 50,000. So at the beginning of third year they were having debentures worth rupees 4,50,000. At the beginning of fourth year they were having debentures worth rupees 3,50,000. And at the beginning of fifth year they were having debentures worth rupees 2 lakhs. You can calculate ratio of this figure also. It is okay. Period is same. So if you multiply this by period, whatever ratio you will get, it will be the same. 10 is to 10 is to 9 is to 7 is to 4. 2, 3.5, 4.5, 5 and 5. If you multiply this by 2, your ratio will be 10 is to 10 is to 9 is to 7 is to 4. Because this is 4.5, this is 3.5. So if you multiply it by 2, you will get round figures. So 10 is to 10 is to 9 is to 7 is to 4. In this ratio, these 40,000 is to be written off. So first year will be 40,000 divided by 40 multiplied by 10. Second year also 40,000 divided by 40 multiplied by 10. 40,000 divided by 40 multiplied by 9 and so on. Now this figure you have to check, it is wrong. It is 10,000. It's a printing mistake. Illustration 49. On 1/1/15, E Limited issued 500 10% debentures of 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at a premium of 10%. Issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Required to show loss on issue of debentures account if such debentures are redeemable after 4 years. Such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years. E Limited follow calendar year as accounting year. They are following calendar year as its accounting year. 1/1/15 they have issued when the first year ends 31st December 15 calendar year. Loss on issue of debentures 10%, loss on redemption at premium 10%, total loss is 20%. When such debentures are redeemable after 4 years, this is the total loss. It is to be written off in 4 years. So every year you are supposed to write off 2,500. I will show you journal entry for issue. Journal entry for issue of debentures, bank account debit 500 into 90, 45,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 500 into 10, 5,000. To 10% debentures account 50,000. This is the first part of entry, and as they are redeeming it at premium on redemption, you have to create the entry at the time of issue only, and that entry is loss on issue of debentures account debit 5,000 to premium on redemption of debentures 5,000, 500 into 10 because premium is 10%. The combined entry is bank account debit 45,000, discount on issue of debentures account debit 5,000, loss on issue of debentures account debit 5,000, to 10% debentures 50,000, to premium on redemption of debentures 5,000. Now this 5,000 and this 5,000, total loss on issue of debentures is 10,000. Instead of having these two separate accounts, you can transfer this discount on issue of debentures account 5,000 to loss on issue of debenture also. So instead of writing this 2, you can have loss on issue of debentures account 10,000 here. See the ledger account, loss on issue of debentures to 10% debentures 5,000, to premium on redemption 5,000. By profit and loss account 2,500. Why total 10,000 is to be written off in 4 years. So every year to be written off 2,500. Balance carried down, balance brought down. Profit and loss account, balance carried down, balance brought down. By profit and loss account, balance carried down, balance brought down. By profit and loss account, at the end of 4th year, account will get closed. Now, when such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years, what is the value of debentures issued? 50,000. Redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years. Therefore, every year 12,500 worth debentures to be redeemed. Now, it is December, year ending is December and not March because they have mentioned it as calendar year. So, change it to December. Now, this is also given wrong in the answer. Face value of debentures at the beginning of first year was 50,000. At the end of first year, they redeemed worth 12,500. So at the beginning of second year, 37,500. At the beginning of third year, 25,000. And at the beginning of fourth year, 12,500 worth debentures they were having. You are supposed to calculate ratio of this. Why? Because period is 12 months. If you multiply 50,000 into 12, 37,500 into 12, 25,000 into 12, 12,500 into 12, you will get product and ratio will be same 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1. Even if these amounts are wrongly given, year ending is wrongly given, ratio you will get the same 4 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1, and 10,000 to be written off in this ratio. Amount to be written off is 4,000, 3,000, 2,000 and 1,000. First year end, second year end, third year end and fourth year end. When such debentures are redeemable by equal annual drawings in 4 years, discount on issue of debentures account 1115, to 10% debentures 5,000, to premium on redemption of debentures account 5,000, by profit and loss account 4,000, balance carried down 6,000, second year beginning same balance brought down, by profit and loss account 3,000, by balance carried down. Third year beginning 2 balance brought down, by profit and loss account 2,000, by balance carried down. Fourth year beginning 2 balance brought down, by profit and loss account 1,000. This account gets closed. This is how discount on issue of debentures, which is loss of the company, is to be written off during the lifetime of the company. Thank you.